Visualizing a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing requires a personalized approach to architecture and design. The process begins with a careful consideration of the customer's preferences and technical requirements. We work closely with our clients to understand their needs, tastes, and vision for the space. Once we have gathered all necessary information, we formulate a concept for the operation of the premises. This includes defining the functional zones, circulation paths, and furniture layout. We usually prepare 2 or 3 layout options for the client to choose from. Next, we move on to the technical planning stage, where we develop detailed drawings and specifications for the project. We ensure that all technical aspects of the project are taken into account. Once the technical plans are approved, we begin creating a 3D visualization of the future premises. This allows the client to visualize their space and make any final adjustments before we proceed to the final stage of the project. Throughout the entire process, we work closely with our clients to ensure that their expectations are fully met. We are committed to delivering a space that is not only beautiful but also functional and practical.